Hi guys, welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm going to show you 3 ways how to make money with video. Now over on my channel I show lots of different ways of how you can make money on YouTube using video, and so today's video I'm going to go outside from YouTube and I'm going to show you 3 different ways. So without further ado guys, let's get into it. Now you can search on YouTube how to animated wedding invitation videos. Yeah, now you can learn how to make them yourself. Like there's lots of videos how to make different ones. There's 170 people searching for animated wedding videos every month on YouTube. Yeah, but if you ain't got time to make your own, I'm going to show you later on in this video just how easy you can make these simple videos. I'm going to make the screen bigger so you can see it better. Yeah, you don't want to look at my ugly mug. Now you can come over to Facebook, go onto the marketplace, and I've typed in digital wedding invitations. Now, if you look, lots of people are making like paper and cardboard ones. You can take it to the next level and do digital, because this day and age, guys, people don't want to be touching things because of the well, you know, the past year we've been in a pandemic, so instead of like making digital like ones like this, make digital ones like with videos and that, guys. Yeah. Now, if you come over to Fiverr, which is what the second way of making money, I've typed in wedding invitation videos. Now, if you look on here, there is lots of different people selling these, yeah, and they're selling them at different prices. You can put your own prices, you can make your own, and you can come and look at these, guys. But if you look, there's lots of different ones, yeah, and they're great, guys, because it's like a passive income. You just set it up. Yeah, and then people come and buy them off you. Yes, you can go on to like selling, and then you make gigs. Now, like if you all you do is put the names on it, guys, and the odd time you might have put the date. A lot of this is like generic, so all you're doing is just changing the name a bit. But the third way, guys, is Etsy. Now, not a lot of people know this, but you can actually sell videos on Etsy. And if you look here, I've typed in animated wedding invitations, and if you look, these have all got different prices. This one here, guys, 308 people have bought this one at £20. Yeah, so let's just look at it. Yeah, I'm just on my mobile at the moment. So what do we say? 308 times 20. That's 6,160, guys. Yeah. So if you make a couple of, like, this is made by the same people, but if you make a couple of different ones up, yeah, another one there's they're great, guys. Look, lots of different videos. Now I'm going to show you now how to make these. Now it's a program called InVideo. I've made videos about it before. But you just type in wedding invitation videos, and you've got all these templates what are already made for you guys. Now all you need to do is download these, upload them to Etsy, Fiverr, and Facebook, and then when people like, it shows you a bit of it. When people like this design, they contact you for buy them. All you do is go into here, yeah, and you change the names. That's how this is how easy it is. So for instance here, you just click on it. You'll say use this template. Let it do its thing and load up. Then you just edit it. So like on here, I mean, let me just see if I can zoom in. So if you want to change the names, I'll just say J and yeah, just any old random name. You change the date, you can change all that. You can come over here and you can either upload your own images, you can go onto video and upload your own videos. You can go search videos as well. Yeah, if you want to add a video, you don't want that, or an image, music, you can type in your own. So let's go for Special events and all that. I don't know. Don't think it'll have anything for wedding. But you can just play them and you can add it, guys. And it's so easy. If you want to add scenes, you want to edit lots of stuff. But that is it, guys. That is 3 different ways how you can make money on with video. Now you can also upload it to your YouTube, and once you're monetized, you can start earning obviously ad revenue. So that's like your 4th way. But InVideo is a great video app, guys. And let me just quickly show you something as well. If you go back to the main screen of InVideo, yeah, you can make. You've got pre-made templates, which I just showed you. You've got text to video, and you've got blank canvases. So the text to video, if you've got a website or a blog or other people have, you can copy their text, put it into the video, and then sell the videos back to them like that. Or you can use different ones like let's say a dental ad, offer it to dental services. Yeah, go on Facebook. Yeah, type in. Come onto Facebook. You type in on the search menu, on dental. No, dentist. Yeah, whatever area, say. In Manchester, yeah, because it's like near to me. You come over here, got all these different dentists here, and you just go onto their pages and you send them a message over on. You send them a message like to them and offer them a video for free, or you offer them like sell it to them for cheap and that, get your foot in the door basically. So yeah, so InVideo is great for that, guys. You can download, you can logos, you can offer people logo services over on Fiverr, on Etsy and stuff like that. You can contact like karate dojos, offer them videos, travel agencies, anniversaries, birthdays, you name it, guys. You've got templates on here for quite a lot of different things. Yeah, and you can make gigs up on Fiverr, you can make posts up on Facebook, you can make adverts on Etsy, and you can offer different services. Yeah, and then you upload your video. When people like it, they'll all contact you, and you make it. And all you're doing is changing a few different bits of text, like the name, date, and that, and then you sell it on, guys. Yeah, that's how easy it is. Now people can use these videos on the phone, so then they can send these videos like to the friends and family over like WhatsApp, Messenger, and stuff like that. But they can also share these videos over on the social media pages like Facebook and Instagram and stuff like that, guys. So it's a lot easier for them. Yeah, instead of them buying lots of different prints, they can just buy the one video and send it to multiple people and share it as many times as they want, guys. So this is a good way. Now that is just 3 ways, 4 including the bonus YouTube one, guys. But another good thing about InVideo, yeah, once you sign up for it, you can also share it. So you can make videos like this, put the affiliate link in the description, like I'm going to do for this one, guys. And if you buy that InVideo, I'll make a commission, yeah? So if you do the same, you share it with your friends and that, and they buy this app, you make a commission. So there's multiple ways you can make money with this program, guys, and it is brilliant, yeah? So the link is in the description, so check it out, please. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. So thanks very much for watching, guys. I'm Jay Roberts, the Geek Dad. This is Make Money with Video, and I hope you like